Hey, I'm Nathan Crane.
I'm Derek Crane.
And this is Fitness Friday. Today I want to share with you what EPOC is and how it affects your weight loss and why high intensity interval training, which is associated with EPOC, is so effective. So what is EPOC? Well, it stands for excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Now I know you're not crazy, we're not crazy. There should be another E in there for post-exercise. But for some reason, that's what they call it, EPOC. So what that means is after high intensity intervals, like we do through our Fit 22 program, you expend more energy through heat production than you do through oxygen consumption. And all that means for your body is that it takes your body more time to recover, to rebuild the oxygen stores, to rebuild tissues that are damaged, things like that over time. So you are literally burning calories hours after you're done working out. How cool is that?
That's absolutely incredible. And going into weight loss, it's also going to raise your metabolism naturally through everything, through a natural process.
Right.
So that then you're burning more even throughout the day. That's why starting out with like one of our programs, a Fit 22 workout in the morning, is going to boost your metabolism throughout the entire day. You're also going to have phenomenal results doing it in the afternoon and evening too, because no matter what, it'll boost your metabolism even going into the next day too.
Absolutely. So if you haven't heard of HIIT or high intensity interval training, what that means is that you're doing high intensity, 80%, 85% plus of your maximum heart rate for intervals. So it could be a 2-minute interval. You're going really hard for 2 minutes, and then you take a 1-minute rest. What we do through Fit 22 is it's a 4-minute interval with a 30-second rest. So you're going hard for 4 minutes, 30-second rest. This is how you get an hour's worth of workout in literally 22 minutes. But what we're tapping into is that afterburn effect, literally for hours, and sometimes even a day, 2 days, up to 3 days. In some cases, they found in some studies that they've done, they're burning hundreds of calories while you sleep. That's a pretty cool thing, huh? You go hit a 22-minute workout really hard, and maybe you burn 300, 400, 500 calories in the workout, and then you burn another 300, 400, 500 calories the rest of the day into the next day doing nothing, right? That's where EPOC comes into play. That's where high intensity interval training comes into play, and that's where Fit 22 can help you achieve your weight loss goals faster.
So definitely check out Fit 22. There'll be a link down below. Being able to tap into that EPOC mode, being able to boost your metabolism. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Definitely hit that like and subscribe button, and see you guys in the next video.
Awesome. Take care.